Computer science videos here today to show you guys how to download multiple photos from one post on Instagram using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Make sure we are signed into Instagram, have Instagram opened, and then click on the post we wish to download. Go to the URL, Command C, Control C, or right click and copy the URL itself. Go to Google and type in Instagram photo multiple download. Click on this. Click on the first link that says 10insta.net and then paste your URL into Instagram URL and now download. We have the 3 images on screen. We are now able to download all of the photos at the same time. Photo 1, photo 2, photo 3. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.